Chapter 12. Football Soccer Clubs. FC Barcelona, Spain. FC Barcelona, also known as Barca, is one of the most successful football clubs in the world, based in Spain. Established in 1899, the club is famous for its tiki-taka playing style and legendary players like Lionel Messi, Xavi, and Ronaldinho. Real Madrid CF, Spain. Real Madrid CF is one of the most prestigious football clubs in the world, founded in 1902 in Spain. Known for its record number of UEFA Champions League titles, the club has produced legendary players like Cristiano Ronaldo, Zinedine Zidane, and Alfredo Di Stefano. Manchester United, England. Manchester United is one of the most popular and successful football clubs in England, founded in 1878. The club has won multiple Premier League and UEFA Champions League titles and is known for legendary figures like Sir Alex Ferguson, Eric Cantona, and Wayne Rooney. FC Bayern Munich, Germany. FC Bayern Munich is Germany's most successful football club, dominating the Bundesliga for decades. Founded in 1900, the club has won numerous domestic and international titles, including multiple UEFA Champions League trophies. Paris Saint-Germain FC, France. Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, is the most dominant football club in France, established in 1970. The club has grown rapidly in stature, especially after acquiring world-class players like Neymar, Kylian Mbappé, and Lionel Messi. PSG has dominated Ligue 1 and consistently competed in the UEFA Champions League. Mohun Bagan, India. Mohun Bagan, founded in 1889, is one of India's oldest and most prestigious football clubs. The club made history by defeating British teams during colonial rule, earning a special place in Indian football. Now merged with ATK to form ATK Mohun Bagan, now Mohun Bagan Supergiant, it continues to be a dominant force in Indian football. Liverpool, UK. Liverpool FC is one of the most historic and successful football clubs in England, founded in 1892. The club has won multiple English League titles and 6 UEFA Champions League trophies, making it one of Europe's elite teams. Tottenham Hotspur FC, England. Tottenham Hotspur, commonly known as Spurs, is a top English football club based in London, founded in 1882. The club is known for its attacking style of play and has produced great talents like Harry Kane, Gareth Bale, and Son Heung-min. Arsenal, England. Arsenal FC, founded in 1886, is one of England's most successful football clubs, known for its attacking football and rich history. The club has won multiple Premier League titles and FA Cups, with legends like Thierry Henry and Dennis Bergkamp. Chelsea, UK. Chelsea FC, established in 1905, is a powerhouse in English and European football. The club has won multiple Premier League and UEFA Champions League titles, with stars like Didier Drogba and Frank Lampard shaping its success. Juventus, Italy. Juventus, commonly known as Juve, is one of Italy's most successful football clubs, founded in 1897. The club has dominated Serie A with numerous titles and has had legendary players like Alessandro Del Piero and Cristiano Ronaldo. With a massive fan following, Juventus is a symbol of Italian football excellence. East Bengal SC, India. East Bengal SC, founded in 1920, is one of India's most historic and successful football clubs. It has a fierce rivalry with Mohun Bagan, making the Kolkata Derby one of India's biggest football events. With passionate fans and a strong legacy, East Bengal continues to be a major force in Indian football.